Good morning all of you. In the last class we have discussed about geometrical increase method of population forecasting, and today we are going to discuss about the next method, that is incremental increase method of population forecasting. In this method the per decade growth rate is not assumed to be constant as in the previous case. Here it is assumed that the growth rate is progressively increasing or decreasing. Generally the growth rate progressively increases in case of a new city. So here there is a lot of chance for future expansion, whereas the growth rate is progressively decreasing in case of old cities or already established cities. So as per this method, the population can be forecasted by using the formula, that is Pn is equal to P0 plus Nx bar plus N whole into N plus 1 by 2 whole into Y bar, where Pn is the forecasted population after n decades, P0 is the population of the last known decade, X bar is the average increase in population that we have calculated in our arithmetic increase method, and Y bar is the average incremental increase. So this term is new. Up to this we have already done in our calculation using arithmetic increase method. So this one is the additional part for incremental increase method. So this method will be more clear when we will solve one example using this method. So let us solve one example. So we will go for the same example that we have taken for geometric increase method. So in 1980, (1990) 43,000, 2000 it is 47,100, 2010 50,000. So as per this method, the first step is finding out the average increase in population. So first we will find out what is the increase in population for each decade. So for each decade the increase in population is, for first decade it is 2500, for second it is 3600. So 2500 is obtained by subtracting 41,000 from 43,000. Similarly 3600 is obtained by subtracting the population of 1990 from population of 2000. So in this manner the last one is calculated and it is equal to 2900. Then the up to this it is same as your arithmetic increase method. So for incremental increase method we have to add one extra column, that is incremental increase. So for incremental increase, see, in the first decade the population increase in population is 2500, and for the second decade increase in population is 3600. So the incremental increase will be your this one is 2500 and this one is 3600. So, the incremental increase will be the difference of these two, and this difference will be in positive manner because it is progressively increasing. In the next decade, the second decade, the increase in population is 3600, but see, mark here, in the next decade the increase in population is 2900. So, here it is, there is decrease in incremental increase, that is why we will put a negative sign and we will write down it is 700. The difference is 700, but in a negative manner because it is decreasing. So, next, as per our formula, we need to find out what is the average of increase of population and average of incremental increase. So, the total increase in population is 9000 and incremental increase, it is plus 1100 and minus 700. So, net increase is plus 400. Okay. Then we will find out the average. So, average of increase in population will be 9000, the number of decade is 3. So, this is equal to 3000 and the average of incremental increase will become 400 divided by 2, which is equal to 200. So, this is the procedure of calculating the average of the incremental increase. Now, we will calculate the population. So, the question is find out the population after 1 decade, 2 decade and 3 decade. So, now we will find out what will be the population after 1 decade. Population after 1 decade means in the year, the formula is P0 plus n x bar plus n whole into n plus 1 by 2 whole into y bar. So, the population Pn is now P2020 2020 and P0, that is last known decade, is P2010 plus, in place of n we will put the number of decade is 1 and x bar is the average of the increase in population, and in place of n again put 1. So, 1 by 2 into y bar. So, population in the year 2010 was 50,000. So, put 50,000 plus value of x bar is 3000 plus y bar is 200. This value is 2 and it will cancel out. So, the value total result is coming out to be 53,200. So, this is the population after 1 decade. Then similarly, we can calculate the population after 2 decades. Population after 2 decade means P2030, Pn becomes P2030 equal to P0 is 2010 plus n will become 2 here. So, 2 into x bar plus 2 into, so in place of n we will put 2 into y bar. The population is 50,000 plus 2 into x bar is 3,000, average of increase in population, then plus 3 into y bar is 200. So, the result is 56,600. So, in the same manner we can also calculate population after 3 decades. Three decade means it will become 2040. This will be 3. In place of n we will put 3. So, this one is 50,000 plus 3 into x bar is 3,000, okay. Then plus this is 4, 2, so this is 6 into y bar is 200. So, the result is coming out to be 60,200. So, in this manner we will find out population in several decades using incremental increase method. So, see, we can compare these results for the same problem using arithmetic, geometric and incremental increase method. So, see, so let us compare the results for the same data. What are the values for these methods? So, for this, so population in 2020, population in 2030, population in 2040. So, for the same data, when we will solve using arithmetic increase method, it will give the results as follows. That is, for 2020 it is 53,000, for 2030 it is 56,000, for 2040 it is 59,000. And when we will go for incremental increase method, for 2020 it is 53,200, for 2030 it is 56,600, for 2040 it is 60,200. And for geometric method, increase method, population in the year 2020 is 53,425, 2030 it is 57,084, for 2040 it is 60,995. So, these are the results for the same data but using different methods. So, see here your arithmetic increase method for 2020 it is coming out to be 53,000. Geometric increase method it is coming out to be 53,425, and incremental increase method, while we are using incremental increase method, it is coming out to be 53,200. So, in all these decades, see, in 2020, 30 and 40, in all the cases the arithmetic increase method is giving lower result, whereas the geometric increase method is giving the highest value and incremental increase method is giving the result in between the arithmetic and geometric increase method. So, as this geometric increase method is giving much higher value, so this one is suitable for newly established cities where there is a large chance or scope for expansion. And this arithmetic increase method, as it is giving lower value, that's why it is suitable for old and already established cities, because there the growth rate is nearly constant. So, incremental increase method is suitable as it is lying in between these two values. So, it is satisfactory for both the for any type of city, that it be made, it is suitable for old and also for new cities. So, this is all about for today's class. In the next class, we will discuss about the next method of population forecasting. Thank you.